Hey guys, in this video I want to show you one of my favorite Sass features. I'm going to go ahead and click New Pen, and let's go ahead and open this up a bit. Let's remove the JavaScript panel. We won't be needing that here. Let's save this, and this is going to be called the Sass at Extend. So I'll show you how Extend works in action and how it can save you a lot of time. So let's just create just a generic anchor link here, and this is just our button, let's say, and let's give this a class of button. And let's just give it some basic styling. Let's target that button. Let's give a background color of blue, color of white, and let's give it some padding. Looks good. And let's remove that underline there. Text decoration and goes down. Cool. So here's our basic button. And let's say if we wanted to just copy this anchor link here and just create some other anchor linked buttons. And let's change this to alert. Let's change this to, let's say, disable, for instance, and let's change this to submit. So now we have these three different anchor links, but we really want them all to look like this button here. So how can we do that without having to rewrite this thing over and over and over again? So for instance, if we were to target alert, we'll copy all these styles, repeat everything I've written here, maybe change this to red, for instance. That's really cumbersome and so on and so forth. So we don't want to do that. That's a huge waste of our time. What we want to do is extend some of these styles here into this alert class, or the alert button, if you will. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have Sass included in our code pen here. So the CSS processor dropdown, I'll click on that and select SCSS here. Perfect. Go ahead and save and close. So now the preprocessor is available for us, so we can start including Sass code. So what I'll do is at extend, and I want to target that button. As you can see, all the properties, such as the color of the text, the inline block, the padding, and text decoration on, has been included in here. So now that looks just like that. So really simple, really quick. Let's go ahead and target disable. Same thing here at extend dot button. And one thing we want to overwrite, so it's going to take on the blue color here. Just remove this for a second. There you go. So it takes on the blue color here. That's maybe not what we want. Let's give it another color. Let's say gray. And let's do the same thing one more time for the submit class. And let's go ahead, add extend button. And let's give this a background color of green. So as you can see, really quick and easy. I just created one set of sort of default styles, if you will, and extended these styles onto the other buttons. And all I did was overwrite the background color for each of those, which is great. So the way this looks as a compiled version, let's go and take a look so you can see what this actually converts to in regular CSS. So as you can see, it basically included all of these classes into one group and include all the styles that apply to it with different background colors. So the only thing that's different between four of these buttons is the background color here. You don't have to keep rewriting the same thing over and over again. Cool.